Well, this is Michael Douville coming to you from beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. It's a late April. This is the last week of April in 2020. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful here. And of course, Arizona is an absolutely splendid place to live. So I just wanted to follow up on some of the things we've been talking about. We do a live webinar on Tuesday mornings. And of course, we get questions. So we've been talking about some of the turmoil that's been in the marketplace. We talked about Texas this morning and the oil industry in particular. Oil, of course, has had a lot of turmoil in the fact that the oil price has really collapsed. So in 2008, oil was trading as high as $150 a barrel, and this week it's down around 10, 11, 12, and it actually collapsed to negative $37. So we found out that yes, oil can go negative. So it was pretty tough on those traders that happened to. But if you pay attention, these trends can be seen, and you can they don't happen overnight. Now this is a classic oil completion on their oil cycle. So if you pay attention, you can see what is happening. Oil has been coming down. This is the second time they've had oil collapse in the last 4 years. 2016 was the last time. And of course, in 2016, there were over 200,000 oil workers that lost their job. This is going to be even worse this time. I've seen some reports that we're talking upwards of 1 million oil workers are going to lose their job. And of course, a lot of them are going to be in the shale oil industry, which is certainly going to impact Texas. Now, Texas has been enjoying in-migration by the millions of people moving to Texas. Same thing with Arizona. We've just had tons of people coming to Arizona. But now with the shale oil and losing oil workers, that's certainly going to impact Dallas. It's certainly going to impact Houston and the whole state of Texas. So probably some of that migration is no longer going to be going to Texas. So where are they going to be going? Well, they're going to be joining their California cousins and coming to Arizona. So we're going to be looking for perhaps getting some more migration coming out of Texas as well as California. So here in Maricopa County, typically we get about 100,000 new net residents each and every year. So since 2017, Maricopa County has had over 370,000 Californians move to Maricopa County. And of course, I think that's going to accelerate in this downturn with the economy. And of course, the completion of the oil cycle is going to drive a lot of oil workers who are skilled laborers. These guys are skilled workers. They'll find wonderful jobs here in Arizona. And of course, the question then becomes, what happens for us? What does this mean for us? I mean, I'm a baby boomer. So what does this mean for me? Well, as a baby boomer, we want to invest our money somewhere where it's safe because we sure want to be conservative with our investments. And oftentimes we need this investment money to earn us a really strong cash flow. And here in Maricopa County, the cash flow we earn, we can actually live on. We get a very nice cash flow because we have organic growth from the in-migration, and it looks like it's set to get even stronger. So that means that appreciation on any real estate investments that we buy. And of course, we're being very, very conservative. So real estate is a fairly conservative asset class itself. We're looking for single family homes, which is even more conservative within a conservative class. So we're trying to be very, very careful with our money, but we want a cash flow. So we get this cash flow coming in. And of course, we're having pressure on the housing because we literally do not have enough housing for the people that are coming here. So as a baby boomer, it's a great place for you to invest. And here I am in Phoenix, Arizona. We have a lot of real estate agents in my business. They have clients, and they themselves are looking to develop an investment portfolio for themselves. This is a wonderful time to do that. Interest rates are low. It looks like we're going to have net migration. If we get this coronavirus straightened out pretty quick, I think that we're going to be back to work. And I think this recession, we can start the recovery, and Phoenix, Maricopa County might be an incredibly good place for you to invest. Now, as you know, I not too long ago raised the investment guide to neutral for both Phoenix and Las Vegas, but Phoenix is starting to look pretty dynamic. So we're going to take a hard look at that in the next 60 days and see what we're going to do with that rating. So I'm here with West USA in Scottsdale, Arizona. That number is 480-948-5554. You're welcome to ask for Michael Douville. We have a whole staff here that's trained. We're willing to talk to you, talk to your advisor, certainly talk to your spouse. Each and every one of our investors is a little different. They have a different goal. They have different amounts of money. They have different risk tolerances. They want to do different things, and we are here to listen to you to find out what's very best for you. So this is Michael Douville. If I can help in any way, you're welcome to give me a call. My very best to you. Bye-bye.